Patterson, fire a warning shot. Sir, this is an M32 grenade launcher. Ah, potato, potato. Just fire it, Patterson.
What would happen if every girl on Earth disappeared?
I'm free.
Ready to die, boy.
Alright!
What's
good? Like, what's up?
Oh, alright. How about some real shit? How about that?
Wow, yeah.
Make the plan, execute the plan, expect the plan to go off the rails, throw away the plan.
Wait, hold on. I feel like I'm forgetting something.
Your mental stability?
No, you can't forget something you never had.
Wait, what?
Name 3 things that would ruin a first date.
Shitting my pants, saying I love you, killing her.
Did this happen?
What are you doing?
This came loose.
What came loose?
This.
Monsters have our motivations. I am the mastermind, he's my apprentice. You're only still alive because I made a promise.
Can you forgive an enemy? God will forgive. Our task is to arrange their meeting.
Why needs to learn some morals and values.
Look at him and tell me there's a God.
Ok, znači, obično brinete, ali ne nisam prijateljite. Mora biti onak najjača snega. Obavezno mora voljeti Golf 2. Mora mi biti tak vjerna, kaj mi se usudi pokazati my eyes only. Mora sve znati voljeti. I mora biti spremna sve, ali sve dati za mene.
I love the kind of woman that will actually just kill me. You know, when I left the house today, I was thinking, damn, I really hope some hot chick paints my brains all over some fucking hallway. And here we are. I mean, really, just absolutely destroy me.